our learning to cook pizza journey, and today I'm cooking in the Ooni Koda 16. I'm going to be making IPA beer infused pizza dough with pepperoni on top. Let's go make it. Okay, so I've made the pizza and it nearly fits in the whole of the 12-inch pizza peel I've got here, my favourite wooden launch peel. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cook it on full, I think, and see how it goes. If it's getting out of hand and I'm sort of burning my crust or something, I'll just quickly turn it down. So the stone is ready. It's hot enough. It's a bit windy today, but it's a 422 in the centre. 432, fluctuating around that, so I'm just going to go with it. So let's get this pizza in. Let me just check it's moving off the peel. Yep, it is. I've got my pizza peel down there. So I've had a few people asking, or quite a few people asking, what peel I use in this oven. It's the Gosney short handle turning peel, and it's great. So let's get this pizza in. Turned the stone over. The stone's looking pretty clean. So I only had like 2 cooks or 3 cooks and I needed to turn it over. So it's cooking really fast, I can see already. Oops. So I've never made this IPA beer dough before. I used 150 grams of water, 150 grams of the beer. I just wanted to see how it cooked. It smelled absolutely gorgeous when it was proofing. It smelled lovely when I was kneading it in the bread machine as well. So I made a Pilsner one before, and that came out really nice. There's lovely taste to it. And this one tastes really flowery. I'd never tried this particular IPA before, and it tasted really good. Just turning it now because I just don't want to burn my crust. I think it's done. Whew, done. that bit a try. So these are pre-fried padron green peppers. So I'm going to taste the dough because, oh look, the pepperoni's run into the crust there. So let's try this IPA infused beer dough. 150 grams of beer, 150 grams of water, 500 grams of flour, 9 grams of dissolved salt, and 0.6 grams of dried instant yeast. Oh my gosh, I can taste the flowery taste of the IPA, and I can taste it with only 150 grams in the dough. And what worried me when I was making this was I thought that the sugar would in some way affect the dough burning in the oven, particularly as I had it on full, but it cooked fast. Oh wow, let me try more of it with the pepperoni. That's so good. I can taste the beer in the dough. If you're a fan of IPA beer, and you're a fan of pizza, and you're a fan of pepperoni, combine all the three. I'm really loving this, and I'm so glad I tried it. I love that beer infused dough. I'm going to make a lot more of it because every single one I've made so far has cooked really well. It's got that tang. This was a 230 gram dough ball, and it was a 24-hour room proof with a 24-hour fridge proof. Then I brought it back to room temperature in a very warm room, my airing cupboard basically. I boiled it up 30 minutes before and cooked it in the Ooni Koda 16 on full flame. Take care everyone, stay safe, bye. And don't forget to check out our website, gottoeatpizza.com. Link is below.